ignition, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now, we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money?
Me da buy a house a car.
Me the girls name funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew.
Me say we madder than
Me and me crew.
me say we badder than me. We are them madder man. Yes, we are them madder man.
Stop! You again.
Up against the truck. You have any concealed weapons on you?
No, officer, I mean, I have nothing for me.
Talk about your innocent. This feel like you're guilty to me.
Officer, we're not going to say your wife or your husband or something. We're not sure.
Hush up! I am carry you down at the station and confiscate that tool.
Just try to get late, you know, and more catch a latchy place before it lock, you know. You know, I just...
All right. I'll let you go this time.
Come on now, Mr. Rami or Mr. Manish Water, whatever they want to call you. You know, it's going to be very, very nice. Scallion, thyme, onions.
Mr. Wedderburn! What you doing with my goat?
I'm going to kill it. Yes, I have no doubt that you are responsible for trying to turn my property into a farm. As a matter of fact, young man, before I go to the supermarket, I am going to call the police.
Come, Rami, come.
Ah, hello. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a nice white dress for an all-white party.
All right, just follow me, please.
Okay. Actually, do you have anything in a spaghetti strap?
Spaghetti strap.
Yes.
Yes. Hold on. Right, let me see. Right.
No, I don't like the design. Too common.
Oh, too common.
Yes.
Okay, let me see what else we have. Not to worry, darling. Right. Oh, right. Here we go. How about this one here?
No. I said white. White.
But
This
you have a
is-
little
no,
white
black
here.
and cream. White. White. Yes.
Very well. Hold on.
Yeah.
Spaghetti. Right, this just got in from Italy. Just the strap, you could just avoid these
No,
and
a
the
dress.
strap.
A dress. Dress. Yes. Where are you, ma'am? Hello?
I'm around here, darling, doing something better with my time. When you find what you want to say, darling, give me a call.
I beg your pardon?
You know he's hard to please, woman. You're very hard to please, you know. I mean, you have me a walk up and down the whole store and look something for you. Me so take off £50.
You know what? Your attitude is very appalling.
Appalled like your mama. People like you must shop at Miami, where the store is much bigger than my own. There, you will find your taste and your size.
You know what? You are quite rude. You will never be fortunate to see my face in this shop again.
Oh, yes. I think I'll be very fortunate. Very fortunate.
Yeah, forward now.
Are you out? There for something?
Soup.
Soup.
Soup. Cracking.
The lacking. What's cracking, the lacking, the packing, the
All right,
What's
all right,
cracking?
done. Jesus.
What you deal with? The man them vexed bad about the other night, you know.
Yeah, man, I know.
Right now we need to do our own thing. Grabs the two damn thief. We need to go touch road and own some producers by ourselves.
Yeah, man, for real. But you don't know, sometimes you have to play a fool to catch wise, you know. You see me? You don't worry about Grabsy. We soon fix him business and get back with money. Yeah? Where am I gonna run? Where am I gonna hide? Furthermore, him need we more than we need a manager.
I just the links him have over we, you know. That him a using a beat with it.
Yeah, man, the links. For real. But yo, you that really me work pan. A new thing, you know. Macka Diamond says she put a tune pan it for we, you know. Yeah, in the Amazon. Yeah.
Yo, cuz, you're mad with the rhythm thing. You know, say if this thing don't work out, you can make some rhythm and sell it.
Yeah, man, for real, just have to give thanks, you know. You know, me just get a wicked idea. You know, say, if Macka Diamond vice pan the rhythm, right? And we get some more artists and vice pan the rhythm. And then we vice pan the rhythm ourselves and release it as our thing.
Yo, that sound mad. Like your own juggling.
Yeah.
Let's get some big artists and some radio player. But how don't come by doing that?
Don't worry, man. I have a plan. Hold on there. Call a boy.
Grabs to the name.
Grabs it. Ready.
That's no problem, man. I know every big artist. I can get everybody. Don't worry yourself about anything, man. When me say, a daddy grabs my name.
Alright then, later.
And yo, sorry about last night. See, it's just that a little thing go down where I have to make a quick splurge. Cause me couldn't take the argument.
Alright. Let's see what's gonna happen now.
Yeah, let's see. I want some money right now. Susan dep on my case like murder she wrote.
As the beat drop, damn it, I'ma start it. You probably got bars, but I'm an alcoholic. And I'm about to polish this track too flawless.
This for really the IP of artists that work and not feed them. Paula, pass on the black paper, yeah?
You don't see me under the floor. Pass it yourself. My belly a tell me say no linger.
Good day, Mr. Hype, and how are you doing today?
I'm okay. Just kind of busy in the studio, doing some work. It gets kind of hard sometimes, you know?
Does it? Well, I have a complaint here of disturbing the peace. You know anything about that?
No. I was inside my house minding my own business.
Okay, listen. Just tell your friends to keep it down. This neighborhood not used to all of that excitement. And another thing, is there a goat on the premises?
Goat? Apart from the meat in the fridge, no goat?
Well, I have a complaint here from a Mr. Weatherburn that you have a goat roaming the neighborhood freely. Now that's against the law, particularly in these parts.
Only goats in these parts live next door.
It's very clear that you and your mother are incapable of coexisting in these parts. The goat is here. Don't let them lie to you, officer. Don't let them lie.
Mr. Weatherburn, please. You've made your case. I'll take it from here. Mr. Hype, is there a goat here, yes or no?
I had a goat, but I sold it to a restaurant.
You sure?
I'm sure.
I don't want to get another complaint about any goat, puss, dog, not even a mosquito. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Beatrice.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jones.
Good afternoon.
Eating again.
Always. Just feels a bit strange, you know. This is the first time that we're meeting alone.
So, why it should feel strange to you, Mr. Jones?
Well, you know, anything that you do for the first time will feel strange. It's kind of human nature. As a matter of fact, you can see that we're in virgin territory.
Well, your mouth is just too sweet for me, you know, Mr. Jones.
But that aside, I must applaud you for taking the decision to close the boutique. Now, the restaurant is a good thing. It will never fail.
Why is that so?
Even if people are naked, they still eat food.
Good point.
Right. So don't worry about it. The thing about a restaurant is that you need to know what to cook, what price to charge.
Yes.
How good a cook are you? You can blow your own trumpet. I don't mind.
I'm good.
A good trumpeter or a good cook?
Well, oh yes. I'm a very good cook. But I don't really know how to blow the trumpet.
Don't worry about it. The thing about life is this. Even when you're not a musician, you may still be able to strike the right chord. Okay. Now, the restaurant business here is peculiar. There are some differences, you know, when you look at that versus the boutique. In the restaurant business, you have waste, and you have to build the waste into your price.
So, how do I price the food then?
That I'll explain to you when I come by the restaurant tomorrow.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
Chicken, beef, fish, all these things that you cook, I want you to brand them. Don't just call your chicken fried chicken. Everybody calls your chicken fried chicken. You have to give it a name. That too, I will explain to you when I come by the restaurant tomorrow.
Thank you, Mr. Jones.
You're most welcome, Beatrice.
Thank you.
By the way, the last time I offered you a banana, you didn't take it. I hope you don't have a problem accepting a cucumber from me. It's a little short, but hope you don't mind.
It's okay.
All right.
See you. Thank you.
Okay then, Beatrice.
Yes.
We are stars. Real stars.
It's official Benzly Hype neighbor. Yeah, my bro. I'm a G, bless up, you know. We're there, son. If you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just click the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, click the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official people, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we're there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?